Study of effect of open and short circuit test for simple circuit. The aim of the experiment is to study effect of open and short circuit of the AC circuit. So AC circuit, we have taken this as L1, one bulb 1, L1, bulb 1, bulb 2, 230 volts, single phase 230 volts, 50 hertz AC supply is given. First connection is given to ammeter. First, before connecting 3 volt meter, first we will connect it series connection, that is ammeter to L1, other side of the L1 to switch 1, other side of switch 1 to L2, and from L2 return supply to the negative terminal, return supply to the AC. There is no positive negative line and neutral in the AC circuit. So 3 voltmeter, 1 voltmeter across L1, another voltmeter across L2, and third voltmeter across supply. Okay, 3 voltmeters are used. Okay, bulb, 2 bulbs, and 1 ammeter of 0 to 2 amps. This is aim. Okay. Open circuit means if switch 1 is closed, one supply is on, the current will flow through this and both bulb will be on, because it is a closed path. So the current will be flowing, bulb will be glowing, keeping switch S2 open. Okay, I repeat, first S1 is open, S1 is closed, S2 is open, then this current will flow, 2 bulb will be on. One, that is called normal circuit. Okay, now if you open it, it becomes breaking of the closed loop, so both bulb will get off, that is called open circuit. Okay, again we will bring it to normal position, close the switch, so both bulb will be glowing. You switch on the S2, close the switch S2, then the one bulb will get off and the current will pass through this. Okay, so this bulb will be off. Why this bulb will be off? The bulb will be having some resistance, and say S2 is shorted, that is zero resistance, so the current will take the low resistance path and bypass the bulb. That's the reason L2 is off and L1 is on. Okay, now connections. So first supply to ammeter, supply to ammeter, other end of ammeter to L1, other end of the ammeter to L1, that is this one, ammeter to L1, from L1 internally connected, other side of L1 to switch 1, other side of L1 to switch 1. Okay, from other end of the switch 1 to L2 is internally connected, then returns to AC supply. Okay, this one, supply to ammeter to L1 other side to S1 other side to L2 return supply. Okay, now we have to connect switch and voltmeter, switch parallel to L2. So here switch, this is the switch. Okay, ear to ear, parallel switch. Okay, 2 switches, 1 and 2. Next voltmeter across 1, this is 1 voltmeter. So here one is connected here, this side, and another is connected this side, that is V1 voltage. Next V2 voltage across L1, this is the voltage across L1. Okay, across these two we will be connecting the voltmeter. Across L2 V3 we will be connecting across the switches as in the circuit diagram. Okay, now supply, switch on the supply, then this is open circuit. So this is normal circuit means S1 is closed, that is this switch is closed, so current flows through the circuit, so both bulb will be on, S2 is in open position. Now open circuit means S1 is open, so S1 is open, so both of the bulb will be off. Again bring to normal position means S1 is closed. Now short circuit is this one. You should close this one. One bulb is off, another bulb is on. So one bulb is off and another bulb will glow. Here you can notice the value of the voltage will be here more, here less, here correct. I repeat, So initially we will be connecting as per the circuit diagram. Now keeping switch 1 closed, switch 2 open, the normal circuit will flow. The current is, you can observe the voltage, 230 voltage. Okay, it is divided into 2 voltmeter, that is 120 and 120, almost 230. 230 is the total voltage divided by 2 bulbs. 2 bulb will be sharing, and the current is almost 0.3. Okay, current is almost 0.31. Okay, this is for normal circuit. Now open circuit means, so everything is open, so voltage 0, V2 V3 is 0, and here it is 230 volts supply voltage will be there. Now again bring it to normal position, and now short circuit it. If you short circuit, you can see the current more. See, voltage we have not changed, current is almost 0.5, voltage 230, and voltage will be appearing only across the bulb 1 and no voltage across the bulb 2. Okay, this is short circuit, and switch off the supply. Okay, so the main concept here is, once switch is closed, S1 closed loop will be there, both bulb will be on. Once your switch S2 is closed, it will bypass the L2, that is bulb 2, because it is called resistance will be having, bulb will be having some resistance, so it is bypassed. Okay, thank you. So tabular column for OC and SC. So current is 0.4 before open circuit and before short circuit. Before short circuit means before closing the switch S2. Before open circuit means before it opens, it is a normal circuit, that is closed. Both bulb will be on, no, that is called before open circuit or before short circuit. So normal condition, 0.4 current, 230 volts will be divided into 2 voltmeters. Then on, S1 switch 1 will be on, so switch 1 is on, and both bulb will be on, and S2 is off. Okay, second case, we will open it, we will close it, so this will be 230 volts. Okay, this is 0, this is 0, here it will be 0.5. Okay, S1 is on, S2 is on and off. So that is, here switch close, S2 is closed, so bulb will be off, the current will pass through this and return it. Okay, one bulb will be on, one bulb will be off, that is called short circuit. Okay, before open circuit is nothing but S1 is closed, S2 is open. Okay, same 0.4, 230, here also 230, so 110, 120, on, off, on, off, on, same. Before SC, before OC, same. Okay, after OC means you are opening the switch S1, so no current will flow because it is open circuit, so both bulb will be off. So here 0.4 will become 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0. So on, off, 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 all off. This is open. Okay, this is tabular column, just verification of tabular column, or we have to fill up the table, that's all. No calculations in this experiment. Thank you.